Okay, today we'll see you how to download JRE. Okay, so you can write down here JRE download or JDK. JDK also Java development in Java runtime environment. So this is all the same link. Okay, take you this. Okay, Java is a real. So go there, accept license key, and Windows. If you are Windows, click here. Of course, accept that, and then click to. If you're Linux system, then Mac. Okay, click on exe target file. Though I have already in my device, so I don't want to. Is sometimes it taking your username and password and then take you to your uh, download. Okay, if I sign in, it is starting downloading it. Okay, so I though I have, so I don't want it. So yes, okay, so that is a little problem in there. So I have already JRE on my device. Look at JRE. Here is a JRE. I extracted and I got here, right? So these are my JRE. You can go and install it on your computer. That's it. Thank you.